I guess I'm live. Hey, what's up? This is George Shamon. In this live presentation, I'm gonna show you an example of a website template that I used for my website. It's not done yet. I still have to do the editing, but I wanted to show you how it looks like. So manage. Okay, so here, connect. Okay. So let me add the website I'm gonna talk about. This is my website. I just changed the design, but it's not done yet. I'm still working on it, but it's right here. This is the URL. So check it out, and we can talk about it. If you click on it, it will take you to the website. This is a website template. If you look at it, you know. So this is how a template looks like. It's an independent web hosting. So let's see, yeah, it's right here. Let me show you this this one here. It's Georgekc-com. It's an HTML templates, and this is the website here. You see it? Georgekc-webservices.com, and I got it from Template Monster. This is one of the digital asset like website templates. And when I bought it, I downloaded it, and then I uploaded it to my website using. I used this Visual Studio Code. It's right here. This is the code editor. You know, when you work with HTML templates, you need a code editor because this is not a platform like Squarespace and Weebly and Wix. So let me flip the screen. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know. Submit it in a comment. I'm talking about setting up a website template on a self-hosted web hosting. I'm using Hostinger web hosting. It's a shared hosting, and it's not like Squarespace or Shopify or Weebly. It's an independent web hosting. Basically, you have the option of, because Hostinger have a website builder, and they have the option of using templates like the raw. You can go to the public HTML folder on your web hosting, and you can upload HTML template. This is what I use. If you're on this live stream, I want to thank you so much for joining. Let me know if you have any questions, where you're tuning in from. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll be making more videos like these to help people. And I cover about 5 or 6 topics on my YouTube channel. I cover making websites, web pages, HTML5, CSS3, and some JavaScript. And I cover Linux commands for beginners. You know how to use Linux commands, and Inkscape for SVG files. And check out my channel. You can tell from the videos what the topics I covered. Hi, SC3N3 underscore P4WZ. That's that's a difficult name. Hi, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the live stream. Do you have any question? Can I help you with any question about? We're talking about, as you saw the title, what is a website template? Let me show you an example. This is what I'm showing you now. But if you have any questions, let me know. So we can talk about it. I can. So. Yeah, so basically a website template, it's it's a design or and a code together already made. It's a pre-made for you. You can buy it from uh, um, a marketplace for website themes and templates, and you can use it on your website, but you pay for it. And you can use it for your website, but if you want to use it for others, then you have to you have a business or you want to make a website for somebody else, you can use those templates, but you have to pay for the commercial license. So you cannot use one templates to so many websites. They have every marketplace have their own rules, you know. So and the one I got, I can use it for 5 websites if I want. But this is it's on my website. First, I have to use the to edit it, change the templates and the images. It's gonna take me some time, you know, and the titles and the text. So it shouldn't be bad, but you know, when you use HTML5 templates, you have to know some HTML and CSS3. You know, otherwise it's going to be difficult for you, even though you're not coding from scratch. You're not making the code from scratch. You're using somebody else's code and design, but still you have to know how to edit it, because using like a code editor like Visual Studio Code, because you have to change the text. Because if you look at this website, my website, all the text I have to change it, you know, because they have the images. It says they give you the size of the images, but you cannot use them. You have to upload images to the website, and I can use the top navigation bar. But let's say you gotta use the lorem ipsum, the language, the text, and the if you see here, they give you like dimensions, what to add, but they don't give you the picture or the image like this one here. This is a video. If you click on it, you get this video, but it has a thumbnail, a cover image, you know, it should be here. So I have to upload a cover image, which is the thumbnail, and it's 700 by 465. They give you the dimension. So if I want to add a thumbnail for this video, which is the image here, I have to know how to edit it, and it's gonna be in the code here in Visual Studio Code. This is the code editor. So this is why I'm saying you have to learn you have to know the code editor, how to do editing. So if you go to index here, let's see, yeah. So you have to know where to go on this one here. So this is where the HTML5, CSS3 skills come into play, and so yeah, I can make another video about editing and changing pictures of or images. But yeah, if you have any questions, submit it in a comment and let me know if you're interested in this kind of content about making a website using a template and uploading it to your website. So this is the template here, and this is my website. I uploaded it and I made some minor editing, but I still have to update the those. All of those I have to update it. But a website templates makes it easy on you, because what it does, it makes it acts like placeholders. So you can add text, you can add images. So yeah, so if you have any question, let me know. Submit it in a comment. Let me flip the screen and you can see my face. Yeah, if you have any questions, submit them in a comment and let me know where you're tuning in from and if you like this kind of content. So I'll make more, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, um, because I'll be making more videos like these, more live, and I will be helping you by answering questions while live right away. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I need your help to grow it. I want to grow the channel, and the more subscribers I have, the more videos I make, and I will help you more. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos and updates. I start making those live videos often now, maybe 1 or 2 times a week. So make sure you subscribe. Uh, if you have any questions, let me know. We're talking about making a website and using templates. This way, you don't have to code a website or a web page from scratch. I mean, you can do that, but you have to know how to design a page, and you have to know the codes. You know how to use the code HTML5, CSS3, and some JavaScript maybe. So this is the best way to cut short your process and your workflow when you're making a website. You can buy a template from one of the market shops like Theme Forest, a template monster. You can buy templates, and then you can upload them. It depends what kind of website you have. Like the one I'm using an independent web hosting. It's Hostinger. Hostinger is a great, self-hosted company. You can host websites using HTML templates. You can use WordPress, and you can upload an HTML template to the main public folder or main public directory. So yeah, so and those templates, if you can buy WordPress templates, you can buy Shopify, Squarespace. I don't think they have Squarespace template monster. You might find it in Theme Forest, or you can buy it from Etsy or those places. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know while I'm live. I can help you. I can answer questions you may have about making a website or a web page, and how to use the website markets to get a template. And you can get a pre-made templates like the one I'm showing you here. This is a pre-made template. It's called Bold, Buled. I have to change the name to my own logo or name, but it's very helpful when you use um, a template. You don't have to do it from scratch. And also, if you go to Template Monster, they have Shopify, WordPress templates too. So if you have a Shopify website, you can buy a template and upload it to your. But I never used Shopify or Squarespace. I have only used the self-hosted sites, because they're cheaper, and you pay less for the web hosting, and then you upload your templates. But you have to have some knowledge and some skills about using the code editor, and some software, like how to use the dashboard of your web hosting service, and how to use the control panel. So anyone, if you have any question, let me know so I can answer you on this live stream. I want to thank you so much. If you're on this live stream, I want to thank you. And if you are on a future replay, also, I want to thank you. And I greatly appreciate it if you submit a question in a comment box, or let me know about any topics you're interested to talk about or learn about that's related to website making, so we can talk about it. And on this channel, I talk about different topics like website making, low code to no code. I talk about Linux commands, how to use Linux. I talk about I have to look Inkscape, how to use Inkscape to make vector graphics, and Let me see what else I talk about. Yeah, Linux commands. I talk about Linux command and some JavaScript. I have about two videos about JavaScript because I'm still learning it. It's not that difficult. So if you're interested in making a website or you want to learn, let me know. Submit your questions or comment, and I will try my best to answer you. And I want to thank you so much for joining. I do appreciate it. Let me know if you have any question or any topics you want to discuss now or in the future. So, anyone else have a question? Let me know if you have any questions or how to build a website, what to use, um, what options are available for making a website, and let me know. I can help you now. I can answer your questions, and make sure you let me know if you're tuning in. Where you tuning in from, or if you can hear me. Can you hear me well? Can you understand the message? Because sometimes the audio is not the best, during live streaming. So it will be very interesting, and I will appreciate it if you let me know if you can hear me well. And also make sure you subscribe because I'll be making more videos like these. So, anyone else, questions, comments, topics related to the channel, like making websites using code editing, editor, Visual Studio Code, etc. So yeah, yeah, I'll be making more videos like these. It's because sometimes I can help. I can help you right away, right here on a chat, or I can verbally help you. So let me know if you're interested in learning about making a website, DIY your website, or if you need help, let me know. Yeah, so yeah, the HTML5 templates, some of them are cheap, so you can make a website if you know some how to edit the template, how to upload it to the website. You can make a website on very low cost. You don't have to pay a lot, it doesn't cost you a lot. So yeah, anyone else have a question, comments? Yeah, so this HTML templates, the bold, I bought it for $11. That's it. So you can save a lot of money if you know how to edit a template to upload it to the website and change the images and the text, But with that, you have to use a code editor. This is why it's a good idea to learn how to use a code editor like Visual Studio Code and to edit a template like this one. So, anyone have a question, questions, comments, topics? Anyone else? Yeah, I'll wait until somebody have a question. Yeah, yeah. If you learn how to use the code editor, it will help a lot. You can save a lot of money because it looks like the HTML templates are cheaper than having Shopify, WordPress, or Squarespace template. They're not. All right. So, I mean, you can see the title if you have any questions. So, what is a website template? Let me show you an example answering your question. Yes. So that's how. Yeah. So again, we're talking about website templates, and the one I use is HTML5 templates. They call them, even though it has CSS and JavaScript maybe, but they call them HTML5 templates. And I use an independent web hosting. It's called Hostinger, and it's a cheap combination. The HTML templates are cheap. The self-hosted website is cheap when you compare it to Shopify, Squarespace, and Wix. They're more expensive, but they are great platform. So anyone else questions, comments? Yeah, nobody is asking questions. It looks like, I don't know if people are not interested in this topic, making your own website, DIY website. So anyone else have a question about somebody showed up now? I will answer them. I will try to answer them. questions, comments, topics you wanted to discuss, let me know. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of topics about making websites, templates, web hosting. Let me know. And also, I make videos about software and software as a service. So let me know if you're interested, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because I want to grow it, and I'll be making more videos like this to help you and answer your questions live. I want to welcome you to this live stream. My name is George Shamon. I'm coming to you live from the US state of South Dakota on this Sunday evening. It's December the 8th, 2024. Thank you so much for joining, whether you're on this live stream now or you'll be on a future replay. I do appreciate your attention and time spent here. But let me know if you're here and submit your questions. Yeah. All right. I guess nobody have any questions. You can submit them later on if you have any question about the website templates and how to set up a website. So I guess yeah. So yeah, you can. I'm gonna wrap up the session because it looks like there is no questions coming in. So I will wrap up the session, and I will see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know if you're interested in other topics. Thank you.